Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the VPN for free on your Apple device. So guys, if you want to use a free VPN on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. So guys, first of all you have to simply open your App Store and then search here for VPN private. And then you have to simply download and install a VPN private on your Apple device. So I simply download it, and after this open it, and now you have to simply wait for some seconds and then tap on agree button, and from here you can select the location as well. So as you can see this, you have to simply tap on this and you can select location from here. After this you have to simply tap on this button to turn it on. So I simply tap on this button, and before tapping on this you have to simply select the location from here and then tap on this button, and after this the VPN will be connected on your Apple device for free. So guys, in this way you can also enjoy a free VPN on your Apple devices. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.